How's it going, guys? It's Kevin from SubiSpeed. On this week's 2-Minute Tuesday, we are taking a look at arguably one of the most functional fog lights available for our cars. These here are the Diode Dynamics SS3 LED fog lights. They are a 3-inch pod style light. Some of you guys might know them as cubes. They are engineered and designed in St. Louis, Missouri. Now, what's so special about these, you might ask? Well, they utilize Diode's special TIR optics instead of the regular reflector bowls or projector lenses you see in most other fog lights. Now, if you aren't familiar with TIR, I'll give you guys a quick crash course, basically. TIR stands for Total Internal Reflection. So where the common reflector bowl or projector lens tends to lose the light rays that they aren't able to capture, the TIR optic sits directly on top of the high-powered LED and captures as much light as possible and directs it exactly where you need it, basically eliminating any loss of light. They also have no external lens because it is molded directly onto the TIR optic. So while other fog lights that do have an external lens lose up to 10% of that light output by just having that light shine through another obstacle, that is not the case with these. They are also SAE compliant, so you don't have to worry about running into any issues in that department. And they have a full aluminum construction finished off with a durable black powder coat and comes with full stainless steel mounting hardware along with a vehicle-specific mounting bracket. If we take a look at the back, you can see the cooling elements, a breather patch, and a custom molded Deutsch DT style plug. They also come with a harness that works perfectly with your OEM fog light harness, so these are 100% plug and play. There are two main options to choose from, with either a white 6000K or yellow 3000K color output with an 80° by 8° beam pattern. You've got the sport model, which will give you a peak beam intensity of 10,600 candela with the 6000K or 9,050 candela with the 3000K color output. If you need even more light than that, they have the Pro model, which will give you 11,900 candela with the 6000K model or 10,900 candela with the 3000K. They also come with a 3-year warranty, so you know Diode stands behind their product. So if you need a fog light that's going to put the most usable light out in front of you, you definitely want to pick up a set of SS3 fog lights. If you guys like these, I will leave a link down in the description. If you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys next time.